Jai Ho. Good morning, my dear children of class 5. This is your physical instructor, and I welcome you all for today's class. So, I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So, my children, today we will learn the first topic, human body. And in your human body, what are we going to study? So as you know, I'll be teaching you all physical education, that is sports and games. So along with sports and games, let us even know how our health is also important. So in our previous class, we studied about our human body, and now today ahead moving on the second topic, that is postures. So you are very familiar with postures, so there are some correct postures. So how these postures are, what are these postures? So it is nothing else, the activities what we are doing in our body movement. It may be running, it may be jumping, sitting, standing, walking, lying down, and all. So these are some postures. So how these postures are helping us and how our health will be fit and fine. It may, and even to lift some object. If you want to lift, carry something, some heavy material. So to lift the object also there is a movement. There is a posture. So you know, if any weight we want to carry, we cannot just lift like this way only and move. No, there is some posture to hold it, to lift it, and then to keep at a where it is has to be set or kept. Now in this postures there are few points. Let us know what are those important points. Okay children, come, I will tell you all. So in postures, as I was telling you all, what are the postures? So there are sitting, walking, running, lying down, lifting any objects. So sitting, you sit while eating the food. You know how you all will sit, folding your legs, back straight. Yeah. Then walking, we walk straight, swinging our arms and lifting our leg in the front and putting the steps and walking. Running, you know very well, our entire movement of our body is there. In that movement even the joints are moving. Okay, our body parts we have, see here we have wrist movement will be there, elbow movement will be there, shoulder movement will be there, thigh movement, legs, knee, foot, entire our body, our head is there moving left right through the support of our neck. Then lying down, so we have some postures of even lying down, how you sleep down, just you cannot bend and sleep, we have to keep our body and completely straight and sleep on the, it may be on the bed, it may be on a yoga mat, or whenever you are lying down. So it has to be done in correct postures. And then lifting an object, it may be lifting your school bag, carrying some books, lifting the chair, and so many other objects. Now why do we have correct postures? So we should not get any problem. That's why we have this correct postures. We should follow the correct postures. So you will not get any pain, you will not get any problem. Then if we have correct postures, what will be happen? So it improves our blood flow. So the blood flow in our body is getting correctly improved because we are having correct postures. Yeah, sometimes see, if you just keep your neck like this, So it starts paining. Why it starts paining? Because we have bent it, or something has happened. So the blood is not flowing correctly in our part of neck. So if it is, sometimes it happens, you might have experienced also. When we lie down somehow. So what happens? We get pain. So this pain is just because we are not getting a correct blood flow in our body. Then it even helps us in nerves and blood vessels to keep healthy. Our nerves are there in our body, our blood vessels are there. So to keep them also healthy, we should have a correct posture. When you are standing, you cannot stand anyhow, because the blood will not flow correctly. Body will start paining that particular part if you are not sitting properly, if you are not walking correctly. So in this process, it helps us in our nerves and blood vessels to be healthy, to be fit and fine, like good health, so that we don't get any kind of pain in our body. Then it supports our muscles, ligament and tendons. It supports our muscles, it supports our ligaments and our tendons. So tendons are our bones, where the joints are there. So the bones have been joined. So we have near our wrist, we have on our knee, we have on our elbow, we have on shoulders, and there are so many other parts also where these bones are joined together. And then ligaments. So it is a muscles and the bone to joint, so that muscles are joined to our bone to protect, so we don't get any ligament problem. Sometimes when we are playing, it gets twist, we get some sprain, and if it is very danger, then the swelling will take place. And also to protect our bones, the muscles and bone, it is a covering layer. Then we have our muscles. So in our muscles, we have so many muscles. On our thighs we have muscles, entire body we are having muscles. To keep them properly, to keep them healthy, we have, so this postures will help us to keep them strong, it will help them to be healthy. Now let us see correct postures. So if you have a correct posture, it may be sitting, standing, walking, running, lifting an object, lying down. If you have this correct posture, you will not get any time your back pain or your neck pain. See, usually when you are sitting on a chair, if you sit like this, bending in the front, not properly in the correct posture, your back will start paining and your neck will start paining, right? If you are not walking properly also, during that time also you will get backache and neck ache. So posture is an important thing in each and everyone's life. We should have a correct postures of standing, sitting and many, which we are doing every day. So if we have a correct postures, we will be healthy. We will not get any pain of our back, neck or any other part of our body. So children, this was regarding postures and correct postures, which will keep us to be fit, healthy, strong, and we will not get any pain, we will not get any problem in our bodies. So till that, practice correct postures. And now I will sign off. We will meet in the next class. Till that, take care, have a great day. Jai Hind.